Andito na naman tayo sa nagbabagang showbiz balita. Panoorin natin ang video ni Heart Evangelista kung saan ang may i-turn over na niya ang pagiging spouse Senate President Foundation. Panoorin natin ang video ni Heart Evangelista.
And thank you very much. Good afternoon, everyone. I could not feel more grateful today to be graced by your presence to join us in this very simple ceremony, to personally extend our gratitude for what you made possible with your generosity. It's been almost a month since I took on the challenge of SSFI President, and I'm very humbled by the works that the Foundation has already put into motion. We have since revisited 2 centers built by SSFI, the Tahana Magpala in Caloocan City and in the Villa Marila Cove for the elderly and missionaries of the poor in Naga City. Thank you so much for the love, the support. You have made 80 disadvantaged boys and girls and 90 lolos and lolas sheltered in these centers feel remembered and cared and felt like they had a family. You have been instrumental in providing fundamental necessities and simple comforts for them, allowing them respite from the isolation and abandonment of their own. Sure than what Anne Frank wrote in her diary, how lovely to think that no one need wait a moment. We can start now, start slowly, changing the world. How lovely that everyone, great and small, can make a contribution towards introducing justice straight away. And you can always give something, even if it's only kindness. But with you, our partners, our families, we didn't have to wait. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your belief in doing what is good. I'm very moved that hindi ko nagkamali na naging pamilya ko kayo because you have been there for me through the great, wonderful, glorious times, and even especially this day that we have such a meaningful purpose. It all makes sense. So maraming salamat for being here today. Thank you very much.
Nag-upload si Heart Evangelista sa kanyang IG story kung saan ibinahagi niya sa kanyang mga fans ang pag-turn over sa kanya sa spouse Senate Foundation President at marami ngang mga sponsor ang nagbigay sa kanila. At ang pili na nila Heart ay ang elderly institution kung saan ito ay para sa mga matatanda. At masaya nga si Heart dahil siya na ang bagong president sa nasabing foundation. Panoorin natin ang kabuuan na nasabing video ni Heart Evangelista at huwag kalimutang maglagay ng komento dito. Thank you sa panonood sa nasabing video ni Heart Evangelista. And for more showbiz update, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.